Welcome to the AI Chronicle. Here are today's top 10 AI stories. The AI that outperforms human experts across every discipline just went live for everyone. Over at OpenAI, GPT-5 just shattered every reasoning benchmark on record, hitting 96% on the MMLU, that's above board-certified human performance in medicine, law, and science combined. The model brings a 256,000 token context window, meaning it can process entire codebases or legal documents in one shot. Enterprise API access opens this week. What's extraordinary is the speed of deployment, from benchmark to production in days. Expect a wave of GPT-5 powered applications launching in the coming weeks as developers race to integrate the world's most capable model. And AI just outperformed board-certified doctors, and it's ready for real-world deployment. Meanwhile, at Google DeepMind, Gemini Ultra 2 is now beating physicians on 9 out of 12 medical specialties, after answering 14,000 clinical questions with 90% accuracy. That covers cardiology, radiology, and oncology. Phase 2 clinical trials are already approved. For the 4 billion people on Earth without access to specialist healthcare, this is genuinely life-changing technology. Hospital pilot programs are slated to begin next quarter, and the results will define how quickly AI enters the exam room worldwide. Switching gears to AI safety, Anthropic's Claude 4 just topped every safety benchmark in the industry, scoring 99% on red team harmlessness evaluations across 12 categories. That's a genuine breakthrough as governments worldwide push for AI accountability standards. The model is also cheaper than GPT-4 and available in the API today, making safety accessible to every developer. The EU AI Act compliance framework is already considering Claude 4 as the new reference standard for safety evaluations. This raises the bar for every other model in the market. India just made its boldest declaration of AI independence. In a major move, Reliance Jio unveiled India's largest sovereign AI compute platform, 1 exaflop of processing power spread across 12 cities nationwide. This is a strategic shift. India will no longer depend on US cloud providers for frontier model training. The platform will host Indian language foundation models, making AI genuinely accessible to 1.4 billion people in their native tongues. Startups get free compute access from 2026. Which could seed the world's largest AI developer ecosystem. India is now in a three-way race with the US and China for global AI dominance. Hot off the wire from India, IIT Bombay and ISRO have jointly deployed a satellite AI system that detects crop disease 3 full weeks before it becomes visible to the human eye. The system uses a fusion of satellite imagery and machine learning trained on 10 years of agricultural data. It's already protecting an estimated $8 billion in annual farm losses across 15 Indian states. For 250 million farmers who live at the mercy of crop failures, this is AI where it truly matters, not a chatbot, but a life-saving early warning system. Coverage expands to 10 more states by year-end. On the business side, Infosys has completed the world's largest enterprise AI coding rollout, deploying an AI coding assistant to 200,000 developers across all projects in just 6 months. The results are remarkable. Production bug rates dropped by 60%, and each developer saves 2 hours of debugging time every single day. That compounds to millions of engineering hours saved monthly. The system was built on top of open-source foundation models fine-tuned on Infosys' own codebase. Infosys now plans to extend the technology to client-facing developer teams in Q3, potentially transforming software quality across the entire IT services industry. China just launched its most powerful AI yet, and 100 million people signed up in a single day. Breaking overnight from Beijing, Baidu's ERNIE 5 is outperforming GPT-4 on every major Chinese language benchmark across reading comprehension, coding, and multimodal tasks. The model handles text, images, code, and video simultaneously, putting it squarely in frontier territory alongside GPT-4 and Claude. A free API tier is already live for developers worldwide. What matters here is the scale. 100 million users on day one rivals ChatGPT's own launch records. Baidu plans a global English language expansion by year's end. The two-horse AI race between the US and China is undeniable reality. In a surprising twist, ByteDance's magic video model just generated 4K photorealistic video from a text prompt in 8 seconds, and it fooled a panel of human experts in a blind test who could not tell it from real footage. The model outputs 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, setting a new benchmark for AI video generation. What makes this a landmark moment? ByteDance released the open-source model weights on GitHub immediately, meaning every developer and content creator on the planet can use this technology today for free. Expect deepfake detection standards to be urgently updated, and content authentication tools to become a major new market. The world's most powerful AI law just kicked in, and every major tech company is now affected. The EU AI Act enforcement went live today, meaning high-risk AI systems must comply with mandatory audits or face fines up to 7% of global annual revenue. That's an existential-level consequence for large companies. 30 nations are already adopting the framework, effectively making this a global governance standard. Healthcare AI, autonomous vehicles, hiring algorithms, and biometric systems face the strictest scrutiny. Companies have a 6-month grace period before penalties begin. US and UK regulators are watching closely, with similar binding frameworks expected within the next 18 months. And finally, the UK AI Safety Institute just published the world's first binding AI safety evaluation standard, with 24 nations already signed on. Every major AI model will now be required to pass independent safety evaluations before deployment. The standard covers capability thresholds, misuse potential, and transparency requirements. Results will be published openly, meaning users and regulators can see exactly how each model performed. The first mandatory evaluations of frontier models begin within 90 days. This is a landmark day for global AI governance, and the moment the era of self-regulation for AI companies officially ended. Enjoying the AI Chronicle? Your support means the world to us. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Every like helps us reach more people with daily AI news. Thank you for watching. And that is your AI Chronicle for today. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so you never miss a story. See you tomorrow with more AI news.